Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and a few people have asked me about the front rack stretch video that I posted, and I'll try and link that somewhere. And can you do that yourself? It's much better with a partner to help you stretch, but you can sort of replicate the same idea. So PNF is, if you've ever heard anyone explaining stretching like contract, relax, and things like that. It's just that idea of creating tension in your body so that then your muscles sort of go, when you relax a bit, then you can create a bit more range of motion. So if you were going to do it with something like your pecs, if you get a door frame or a rig, just stand here, and what you're going to do is press in. So don't let anything else move down here or around here. Press in a little bit, so let's say 50% effort, or 35%, or even 61.9%. Doesn't really matter, just put a bit of effort in and hold it for like 15 seconds. Then from there, what I'm going to do is relax completely and then try and lift it back a little bit further, and then step myself forward a little bit, and then do the exact same thing. Press in, hold for like 15 seconds. This is probably about 54.3% now. And then relax completely, try and open up even more, step forward a little bit more, press through, hold for 15 seconds. Generally stretch your neck in most positions because your neck should not be involved. And relax, open up a wee bit more. And then try and hold the end position. So right now I'm not touching the rig and I'm pulling back a little bit further. And then relax, okay? So 3 is a good thing to do, 5's even better. Again, until you notice a change. So aim for 3 sets or 5 sets of something, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, anything like that. But unless you notice a change, I would say do a few more sets. Don't just do a couple, not notice a change, and then have wasted your time, okay?